Heck yeah. We just seen some lightning a second ago. This looks pretty cool. Looks like it's going right over Gator Alley, which is formerly known as the pond of my work.
Alright, there's cool.
Look at that. That is a spaceship. That is a trip. Low battery, I don't care. Look at that. Dude, that is so cool, dude. It's been a good day for cloud work. It is so cool. I'm still going, Tucker. Sorry. Did you hear that weird bird?
That was loud.
Yeah, right? Okay, I thought I was the only one who heard that shit. Hopefully we caught it.
It was loud. Like he was in the car.
Talking to him. Alright, bro. Look at that. See if we can do the corner real quick. Yeah, we can jam this. Should have took the interstate. Sakia Safari, boys! That is so cool, man.